Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will show you how you can mix your own cheap chicken feed in the comfort of your home, step by step. And I will even break down the cost so that at the end you'll be able to see how much you'll be able to save. So let's get into the video. Here are the ingredients I will be using today. This mixture is perfect for layers. This is just for layers. All I need is maize bran, and I'll be using 2 bags of maize bran. This is maize bran. And the next ingredient is layer concentrate. This is layers concentrate. Another ingredient is bone meal. So I'll be mixing these 3 ingredients now. I'm going to start with maize bran. So I'm using maize bran, but if you have maize, you can use your maize. That's maybe you have a farm and you are farming maize, you can use that in place of this maize bran. And for some areas that you will not be able to get this maize bran, you can use maize. So in using maize, you need to break the maize. So this is our maize bran. I'm using 2 bags, so I had to separate it, divide it into 2 to be able to lift it. Next is bone meal. And this is 10 kg of bone meal. Next is my layers concentrate. This is bought from the company. Remember, I'm trying to cut cost. So now we are done adding our ingredients, just 3 ingredients. We added maize bran, bone meal, and layers concentrate. And now we are to start mixing. We are going to mix it very well. So I added 3 bags of layers concentrate, which is 25 kg, that is 75 kg of layer concentrate. And now we are going to start mixing. We're going to mix it very well until the feed is uniform in color. I'm going to mix it very well. So mixing is another work. So we are still mixing. So this is the major work, mixing the feed. So we are done mixing. Can you see the feed now? This is properly mixed. Properly mixed. So we are done mixing, and now the next thing we are going to do is to pack the feed into bags. So I've been using this mix for my chickens, and the results are amazing. They are growing well, laying better, and I'm spending less money. So at this moment, let's take the breakdown. I bought maize bran 2 bags for 20,000 naira. Wow, this is our layers chicken feed. Can you see? So let's take the breakdown. Let's take the cost breakdown. Maize bran, I bought 2 bags for 20,000 naira. A bag is 10,000 naira each. And bone meal, 10 kg is 4,000 naira. Layers concentrate, 3 bags is 75 No, sorry, 3 bags, which is 75 kg, is 69,000 naira. A bag is 23,000 naira. So I bought 3 bags to do the mixing. Total cost is 93,000 naira. For 250 kg, which is 10 bags of 25 kg. So now, compare that with buying commercial feed and you will see how much you are saving. So what you need to do is to make sure to store your feed in a dry, cool place. And always use clean tools to mix your chicken feed. Adjust ingredients if feeding chicks or layers or broilers. All what you need to do is to get their concentrate and then you mix. We have broilers concentrate, while in this video I used layers concentrate. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and also subscribe for more poultry farming tips. And if you have any questions or want me to make a video on a specific topic, drop a comment below. Thank you so much for watching.